Platform 3 for the 0913 Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central via Benton. Calling at Leighton City, Leighton, Stepford Road, Benton, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
This train is for Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton City. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will call at Leighton City, Leighton Stepford Road, Benton, St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton City.
Stepford Express, service to Stepford Central.
We will shortly be arriving
Benton.
at Leighton City.
Calling at Leighton,
Change here for
Stepford
trains
Road,
to
Benton,
Leighton West.
St Helens
Please
Bridge
mind the gap between the train
Stepford
and the platform.
Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.
This is Leighton City. This train is for Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton Stepford Road. We will shortly be arriving at Leighton Stepford Road. Change here for trains to Stepford Airport Central. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Benton. Calling at Benton, St Helens
Welcome on
Bridge
board this Stepford
and
Express
Stepford
service
Central.
to Stepford
This
Central.
train is formed of 5 coaches.
At Leighton
First
Stepford
class
Road,
is located at the
Benton,
front of the train.
St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station will be Leighton Stepford Road.